Now we go back to our application. Now we are going to secure it from SQL injection. As you remember, there was an SQL union-based injection in this formula. Okay, so I must do some modifications in the code source of this application. As you can see, it's vulnerable to the SQL injection, because when I type 1 and 1 is equal to 1, I've got the same results, but when I do add 1 equal to 2, I don't have any results, which means that what I add is taken in consideration in the SQL query, and this is very dangerous one. As you can see, we have, as you could have seen before, we add union to the hacker could use union to get sensitive data. So my code source must be modified like this. I must use SQL prepared statements. Okay. I get the product ID, then I'm going to prepare my SQL statement and bind the parameter statement and execute it. So I must do some modifications on the code source of the page. And now let's test my application if it's still vulnerable to the SQL injection. I'm going to do a select and making sure that the code source is working after updating it. Now I'm going to add 1 is equal to 1, and I'm going to add 1 is equal to 2. Nothing is taken in consideration. Okay, so this is a good way to secure my application from SQL injection. And developers must respect the standard of secure development. I can also go back to this page. It was also vulnerable to SQL injection. Let's remember it again. Here I added for 1 is equal to 1. It works, so I'm going to use also prepared statements here so I can secure my application from SQL injection. So I'm going to modify my code source. Okay. Now, as you can see, after doing this and updating my code source, the SQL injection will not work. And this is one way to secure my applications from SQL injection, is to use a prepared statement, SQL prepared statement. Okay, I'm going back to my application. Oops, now I have a valid username or passwords.